Hello friends, welcome to this session of LaTeX, and in this session we will learn how to build a LaTeX presentation very quickly. To learn how to install Text Studio, MikTeX, which is implementation of LaTeX, and Beamer, please watch videos from my playlist. I have given the link for the playlist in the description. And I am in Text Studio. We are going to Wizards, and from Wizards I am taking the quick Beamer presentation. And here I am typing the author name Rajendra.Chaure and title. This presentation I am making is build graphs using ggplot2. The star is not necessary and will go there. Here we will do little changes. This author title and other information before the begin document or begin frame, not begin document, begin frame, will put before the begin document. And here I will change the theme, that default theme I will make an arbor, and color theme also I will change, use color theme in curly bracket, that dolphin theme I will use. And this is I'm all set to build a presentation for graphs. This is begin frame, make title, begin frame, and this frame title I will remove. And here after this begin frame in curly bracket I will type the ggplot only. This is my first title, ggplot function only. And here I will add the term include graphics and image file. These are the image files I stored in a special folder, all these image files, and those are named figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, so that it becomes easy for me to type the names. And this presentation I will save in the same folder. Save. I will save that to H drive, to my take work and building plots here. Okay, let the name be document. And this image file is fig1. We will compile it to see whether it's correct or not. And it's getting compiled. Key values undefined, and I will call as width is equal to / line width, and this shall work. We'll wait for a while till it gets compiled. Yeah, it got compiled, and we will see the effect. Yeah, this is the title slide, and this is the second slide where only the plot area is there. For ggplot function only the plot area gets there. Okay. Now I will go on copying this frame. It becomes little bit confusing, but it's not at all. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4, figure 5. Here I will change that figure name to figure 6, figure 7, figure 8, figure 9, figure 10, figure 11 and figure 12. Okay. This is done with my presentation, and I don't want to do any other changes in this presentation. I will run that. It will take little time for compilation, and that scale is not sufficient line width. I will change that. I will make it 0.5 line width, and that I have to change everywhere. Therefore I will copy this and will go to edit, selection, select all occurrences, and I will change that with width is equal to 0.5 / line width, and we'll run that. Okay, and all are there, but these all are not centered. Therefore I have to put the centering there in between. Centering below the frame I have put this centering, and I will go on putting that centering in each slide. I could have done this with the first slide only. It would have saved my much time. After each begin frame, we have to put that centering so that that figure will come to the center of the slide. Everywhere we have done that, and again we'll compile. Compilation is going on. This red symbol is telling us, okay, and all that is there. All slides are ready. Now we are going to the reader, Adobe Reader, where it will be read, and Control L will take me to the presentation mode, and this presentation is ready. This is the blank plot, and to this plot I have added axis also, and there I have added the geometry to show the data. I think I forgot that centering in this slide. In these two slides I forgot the centering. Here again centering is there, and in few slides I have forgot the centering. And the last slide is the redundant slide. I will remove that. I will correct. Okay, the last slide is figure 12, and in many slides that centering is not there. These 3 slides centering was not there. Centering is there everywhere. And this figure 1, okay, and we'll compile to see the presentation, and this we have to, yeah, presentation is ready for us. It got compiled. Again we will see, Control L, yeah, presentation is working fine. And that's it. And this is how we can build very elegant presentation without any need to format. In PowerPoint we need much formatting. We need to move figures everywhere and all those. If our figures are ready, and if we have the LaTeX template ready, then we can build very quick presentation. And here I built that from scratch. Just my figures were ready. If you have liked this this video, please click the like button, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Press bell icon if you want notification of my new videos, and please share this with all your friends who need to prepare presentations very quickly. Thank you.